Una well done, oh. My name na Uchenna Osekwe. There also other people they call me Bethany Place. I dey welcome una for our Obonge series wey we dey call Na So E Be. Na So E Be na channel wey we dey carry talk everyday matter for pidgin English. So as I wake up this morning, my body just dey sweet me. I wake up, my belle just dey do me coole. So I say make I share with una today, my fellow people. Make una follow me thank God say I dey alive today. Today na another day. Tomorrow go still be another day. As I see, come dey do me like this, I say, e get people wey no fit wake up this morning. E get people wey don die. They don send them for mortuary. But they don send them go hospital, go dey sick, get something wey happen. They no fit wake up. But I dey grateful for God say I dey happy. Our Baba God make me alive today. And as you dey watch me today, I know say He make you dey alive. And so make I share that experience with una. E no easy to wake up for morning, dey alive. Your body dey gidigba, make you carry am do wetin you wan do. So now, as we dey talk for our series wey we dey call Na So E Be, na so e come be for me today. So na my prayer be say make tomorrow work go well for us as we dey go back to sleep. Some of us, depending on where part of the country, world where e dey. Some people they don dey sleep, some people they don dey wake, some people still dey awake, dey wide awake. Anyone where e dey, any level where e dey, I wan encourage you and make God strengthen you. As you dey go your own, we go see tomorrow. We go see next time when I go dey talk for our series wey we dey call Na So E Be. Those I go see you next time. Remember, my name na Uchenna Osekwe. Other people they call me Bethany Place. Na me be the person wey get this channel, Bethany Blaze MD. Bethany Blaze MD. Now where we dey talk for everyday matter for pidgin English. Now why we start for this our series wey we dey call Na So E Be. I go see you next time. No forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell your family, your friends, your village people, your friend enemy, any people wey dey around you, tell them make them support this our ministry. Make we take them to the next level. It could make we move to the next level. Because if I move to the next level for this my ministry, all of us go follow join for that ministry. Make all of us move to the next level. Now so my wish for you today. Now so my prayer for you today. Thank you.